You're on.
Wait. What's wrong? So, solving for b minus 3a minus 3a. 6b equals 10 minus 3a.
Very good. Next.
Good job, Parker.
Alrighty. Solve for b. You need to divide both sides of the equation by 6. So you have b equals 10 minus 3a over 6.
Very good, Parker. Next. We are still on 2A. Alright, I'm going to go. We have negative 4 minus 4a over negative 5 equals 10 minus 3a over 6. I can do that because of what property?
The transitive.
Thank you. Now we are going to have somebody standing right here that's going to come and do the next step.
Okay, pretty sure I know how to do this part. Cross multiply. So negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. And negative 5 times negative 3 gives you 15. Yeah, and then you take 6 times negative 4 and you get 24. Negative 24. And then 6 times negative, okay. Those are the 2 ones.
Questions for Dylan?
No.
Jordan?
Do you have to write those on a
Do you
line?
have to do the cross multiplying, or is there other ways to set it up?
Is there another way to set it up?
Maybe.
This way's easier. You can divide each one. You can get 4/5 plus 4/5 a equals 10 over 6 minus 1/2 a. You can do that, but you got to deal with fractions. So, very good. Next.
I have a question.
Yes, Colby.
Is it okay if we're wrong?
Yes. We have not made fun of anybody that is wrong so far. Go, Cole. Let's go. We're ready to solve for A.
Alright, solve for A. Plus 24 A plus 24 A negative 50 plus 39 A equals negative 24. Alright, so plus 50 plus 50.
Okay, cool. I'm going to cut you off
A
after you solve this.
equals 26.
Okay. Very good, Cole. Questions for Cole? Okay, Colby, what would you do next?
Okay, I know. Okay.
How do you solve for A there? If you have 39A equals 26. Okay. Is that okay to divide by 39?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what do you get for A?
1/3. 2/3.
2/3. So A equals 2/3. All right, Brandon, what would you do?
Okay. So I got, I should put my answer here real quick. I got B in 1 1/3. I got it. So I'm gonna go over here. 10 minus 3 times 2/3 divided by 6.
Okay, so he substituted into one of his equations and found B. Questions? 2D.
This is the one I think I was wrong on. did that.
Okay.
And then didn't know what to do, so I just added the.
Okay, added v. Very good. So if you add v to that first equation, what do you get? If you add v to the first equation, what do you get?
3v.
3
V.
times v
Plus.
plus v. So you got u equals 3 plus v. Do you agree? Uh-huh.
What was this?
3 plus v. Good job, Colby. Next.
And then for this equation, you're also going to subtract v from both sides. And so you're going to get 2u equals 10 minus 2v. And then you divide by 2 on both sides and get u equals 5 minus v.
Questions for Jordan?
Well, then you set them equal to each other, so 3 plus v is 5 minus v. When you solve for v plus v plus v, 3 plus 2v equals 5 minus 3 minus 3 v 2v equals 2 divided by 2 v equals 1.
Very good. Questions for Cole? Brandon.
Okay. You already divided it. So.
Yeah, that's an
V equals
equal
1.
one.
Okay. Alright.
Kind of hard to tell if it's V or U.
I'll solve for u, but I guess I could try it. Well, I got u, that's a u, equals 4. I can move it by, yes, 3, minus 1, 1, divided by negative, I think. That's how I got it. Yeah, that's how I got it.
Questions on that?
I think that's how I got it. That's all.
I'm going to go back up here, and they have 3 plus V. So I'm just going to make that a plus. Because if we would do what Brandon said, we would get negative 2. So his answer is right of 4. But the way he wrote it up here, he was looking at his wrong work, I think. But what comes first in the alphabet, U or V? So we're going to write 4, comma 1. Since U comes first in the alphabet, it comes first in our ordered pair. It was kind of confusing to tell between some of you guys' U's and V's. So if you want to, you can do Dylan's idea of putting in X and Y. Just make sure if you say U is X, then on the other equation, U has to be X. So watch that. Questions? All right, last but not least, we have 2C. We have noticed a revolving door of the exact same people coming up. Let's get some new faces. If they don't go, then I guess they don't want points.
First thing is so we want to get y by itself, so we subtract 2x from both sides of this equation and get 3y equals 1 minus 2x, and then divide by 3, so y equals 1 minus 2x over 3.
Questions for Jordan? We're going to let Dylan Heck go first, or not Dylan Heck, Dylan Lease, sorry. We're going to let you go first.
How you guys? Oh, I'm confused right now. So. Do I have to do that one?
No, you can work with the other equation.
It's a lot easier.
It is a lot easier. What are you doing, Sir Dylan?
Dividing them both by 6, because, see, yeah, so. Dividing that by 6 and then that one by 6 too, because you gotta do it on both on the same side. Okay. Alright, and then why? I don't know.
Guys.
I don't know. This is kind of confusing.
You wrote on your paper next y equals 7 minus 4x over 6.
Mm-hmm.
So write that.
Okay.
7 minus 4x over 6.
That's what but
And that's a equals y.
well, that's what I was like, okay. I was gonna do that one.
There we go.
Alright.
Alright, Eli.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna combine those like so. And I'm gonna cross multiply, so 3. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do now. What do I do with those? That's what I was thinking
You
too.
put them in a straight line, bro. You can erase that 3 if you want to.
That one?
Yeah, the one in the middle.
I'll erase
12.
this too to even make it better.
Yeah, that one. Good job.
Beautiful. Next.
So
Take the linger of that in the hole.
plus 12y plus 12y 21 6 minus 0 y.
Are those y's or those x's?
Those are X's.
I think they're supposed to be x's. Just make it big. You don't have to erase. Just make it into an x. There you go. Alright, next. You can write 0x, yeah.
Since there's no x, you can't solve for x, so there's
I hope we are listening. Can you state it again? Because there are some rude kids talking.
alright, so since there's no x, you can't solve for x because you have no value to solve for, so there's no solution.
Very good. When